Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge of Playzone Farm Craft Ales. If you haven't met him before, he hasn't got raw blood running through his veins, but he's a fan of the Queen. This is my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
And this is my very much brother Dave Partridge. He gets better, doesn't he?
Hello everyone.
Oh bro.
How you going on?
I'm alright. How's it going?
Yeah, lovely.
Time for some more beer reviews.
Yes, before we kick off though, I'd like to tell everybody I've been sent a gift this week.
Ooh.
An early Easter present from Dark Rock.
Oh, lovely.
Now they've got a new range of beer kits out.
Right, yeah.
This is their session range.
Okay.
And they sent me the West Coast.
Looking very much like it's one tin kit.
Yes, one tin kit.
Okay.
Obviously, these one tin kits are not designed to compete with full grain or anything, but you can make them while you're doing a full grain kit, and it boosts your stock supply greatly. So,
Because these are easy to do.
these are easy to do.
Right, yeah.
And they sent me an answer to go with it because you need an answer to go with it.
Okay. So just basically what's in the tin and an enhancer.
Yeah, and you do get a big pack of hops with this as well.
Okay.
So an introduction to dry hopping if you haven't enjoyed dry hopping before.
Marvellous.
And this enhancer is contains pure brew as well.
Okay.
And it is a combination of spray malt and sugar, etc.
So these are good start kits then.
These are good start kits.
Okay.
These me on to my next one. So I was thinking,
Yes.
what do you need to do to get started in homebrew? Obviously you need an homebrew kit.
Bro, what do you need to do? Start in homebrew.
And you need someone to make it in.
Oh, right, that's me. Right, okay, folks.
So I thought, you don't have to use this type of fermenter. Big white plastic bucket normally is what you get. Plastic spoon, that Al's holding there as well.
Plastic spoon.
Bit of steriliser.
Bit of steriliser. Oh, all right, it's going wrong, bro. Bit of steriliser. Hang on, let's get that a bit closer over there.
Yeah, I use WP, but some now you can get no rinse steriliser.
Okie dokie.
Airlock.
An airlock.
Siphon
them jobbies.
tube as well, something
Hang
like
on,
that.
hang on.
Put these down there.
It's got me working extra hard tonight, then. So, yeah, so basically, a big bucket,
Yeah,
a spoon,
yeah,
siphoning tube,
yeah,
a steriliser, and an airlock.
yeah. It's really all you need to get going. And a kettle, of course.
Do the websites do these as sort of like kits?
Oh, I'm glad you asked that question.
Okay.
Because the cheapest bundle I've seen is a brew to bottle,
Okay.
and they do a bucket, all what we've just mentioned, siphoning tube, airlock, $17.95.
Bargain.
Even include a little pot of
Yeah, look
steriliser.
like that. That is a bargain, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's not bad, that.
So, round about 40 quid, get yourself a kit, get yourself the bucket, steriliser and whatnot. All you do is obviously boil your kettle, put it in there,
Yeah.
dissolve this in there,
Stir it.
stir it with your plastic spoon,
Yeah.
put your enhancer in, stir it with your plastic spoon, bit more boiling water, top up with cold.
And how long do you leave it for?
Normally it'll brew, I always say, various kits will tell you different times. I always leave my brew 2 weeks to brew.
Okay.
It might be done sooner, it might stop bubbling a lot sooner, but I always leave 2 weeks.
And is it ready to drink after 2 weeks, or
No.
do you need to condition it?
Now you need to put it in something.
Okay.
So, obviously what we all just mentioned there
Yeah.
doesn't involve putting it in something.
No.
Now the cheapest way is to do what my brew friend Wayne Dawson did, was to save all the beer bottles he'd been drinking,
Yeah.
bought a capper,
Oh, yeah.
rinse his beer bottles out in, tribute or
Yeah.
whatever.
Or you
he'd
can
been
buy
doing.
some of those plastic caps, can't
Yeah.
you? Yeah.
And he capped all his, put his brew in his bottles, capped it all, there you go. Another cheap, effective way is to buy, now you can get plastic pressure bottles.
Cool.
So your little plastic bottles, 500ml,
Oh, yeah.
and they're dirt cheap.
Okay.
They're 11 quid for 24.
Marvellous. And if you put it into bottles, do you need to add anything in? Do you need to add any extra sugar or anything
A
like
little
that?
bit of sugar, teaspoon
Okay.
of sugar, or
Cool.
now you can get carbonating drops, of course.
Right.
Drop one of those in as well.
Well, there you go.
There you go. So really, to brew your first brew, you're talking, with your plastic bottles, carbonating drops, everything, around about 60, 65.
Cool. But you don't have to put it in bottles, do you? You can put it into
You can put it into a pressure barrel.
into pressure barrel, can't you? Yeah. That's a bit more expensive,
A bit
obviously.
more
but there you go.
expensive, a corny cake. But for your first brew, you probably just want to do it in bottles.
Cool.
See how it turns out.
Marvellous.
See if you like it.
See if you like it.
I did actually see also, as well, a full-blown package
Yes.
of a beer kit, your bucket, your
Bucket,
whatnot,
spoon,
over with
steriliser.
brewing for about 69 quid.
Including the kit and everything.
Including the kit,
That's
including
not
the
bad,
plastic
is it?
bottles,
Really?
including the spoon and everything.
That's
But
not bad.
brew to bottle was the cheapest
Cool.
starter kit I saw.
Well, there you go, Pete.
There you go.
Full of information.
Full of
aren't we?
information. We'd like to be full of information.
I'm feeling a bit dry, bro.
Oh, sorry, look, come on. Let's do what we're here for. Come on, let's drink beer.
What's first then, bro?
Well, Worcester Rock Shop, really. They do
Okay.
a massive range of kits there. I did order a massive load of kits from there because
He's still going through.
we're still going through them. I did try and order some old traditional style beers. So this one's next, bro, and it's Timmy Taylor.
No packaging with this one because
That's...
it's a full grain kit again. Oh! It's all gone wrong. Things falling off the bar.
That's well caught as well.
Well, cool that. Right, so Timmy Taylor, boltmmaker. Well, it's kind of clear. Yes, a little bit of haze to it. It's a traditional colour beer, really, isn't it?
Timmy Taylor around a long time.
Yes. What sort of percentage are we looking at with this one, bro?
I reckon boltmaker's around about 4.
Okay. It's got a good malty nose to it, hasn't it?
Good traditional malty nose,
Yeah.
not too hoppy going on.
And with this being full grain, how much is this sort of kit?
This is the thing. This is why I ordered no end at Worcester Hop Shop. It's $12.99.
And do you have to put anything with this?
No.
So that was it, $12.99 kit. Done.
Yeah. All your hops weighed out, all your grain weighed out. If you've got if you've got your all-in-one brew kettle in there, comes with the instructions, tells you what to do, tells you what time to add the hops.
Can drink it now.
Go.
Hey, cheers, babes. Oh, say. That's a nice one, isn't it?
Ah, it's a good drop, that is, isn't it?
Oh.
Again, with these traditional type beers, there's not massive going on. Well, what is so rounded, so well balanced, so well put together.
It's smooth, really smooth. There's no, like you say, there's no punch to it, but that's not what you're looking for from this sort of beer. There's quite a bit of flavour going on there, a bit of malt, bit of dryness. It's just lovely.
Just a classic English beer. This recipe's probably 100 years old, I don't know. I haven't researched it, but it's just one of those classic English beers that you get down the pub.
It's cracking, bro.
We all do have.
I'm going straight in with a 10 out of 10.
Definitely a 10 out of 10.
We've had a lot of 10 out of 10s lately, but there you go. Well done. But I think that just goes to show the quality of the kits are out there.
Yeah, this is it.
So,
even with these kits that are coming out on the market, like that 1 tin kit, obviously it won't be as full bodied or as full flavoured as a full grain kit.
Full grain kit,
but
they are pretty good.
They are pretty good.
Yeah. Cool. Well, that's 10 out of 10. How about you?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, it's good, that. Yeah. All right. It's hard work, but we've got to try another beer.
Yeah.
We'll try next.
Talking about 1 tin kits, we're going to try 1 tin kit now from Dark Rock Brewing.
I've got a bit of packaging for this one. So, here we go then.
There you go.
Craft Harris Beer Kit IPA Premium Malt Extract. Again, this is a 1 tin kit job. Well, you can see that. He's written the price on top of it. $14.99, bro.
Yeah.
The kit.
Yeah.
What's the plus $4.99 for?
The enhancer. They've got the enhancer on offer at me at $4.99. If you get over there, I've just checked it out tonight. Yeah, so
Cool.
for under 20 quid.
Not a lot of description, but it's got all the instructions printed on the
All
back
the
of the box.
instructions on the back of the box. Again,
Cool.
you get the 1 tin in there, you get some dry hops to add, and then the enhancer.
Any idea of sort of ABV for this one?
Well, it's a little bit hard to work out because it's a 1.8 kilos of malt extract, and they say a kilo of either brewing sugar or enhancer, etc.
Okay.
But obviously, the more of that second one you put in, the stronger it's going
to brew to. Okay.
So I would have said if you get it around like 3 kilos, you're going to wear somewhere around about 4%.
Cool. Right, yeah. There you go. Right.
Yeah, this is it.
Ooh. Is that through your Guinness tap?
This is for the Guinness tap. It's very lively. I do get quite a lot of, yeah. See, I'll just put that little bit in there. Look, the more compared to yours now, you see.
Ooh.
Those of you at home with this kind of setup, with the corner keg and the thing, sometimes I get quite a bit of fobbing going on. And the fobbing is what we call a big load of white stuff.
Ah, right, okay.
And I haven't found a cure yet for it personally.
It does sell quite quickly.
Yeah.
It's not very distinctive nose, bro, has to be said. Once you give it a swirl,
it's
it
quite
starts to
fruity and
it is quite fruity, actually, isn't
citrusy,
it?
I would say.
I'm going in.
Oh.
Cheers. Oh, I like that.
I'll tell you what.
I like that.
Okay, you can tell the mouthful isn't quite there. It's a little bit more water compared to full grain.
Going straight from the full grain to that,
Yeah.
you can tell, but it's got a lovely taste to
It's
it.
got a lovely taste to it. Not a massive punch like some IPAs have, but a nice citrusy, goldenly.
Yeah, but this makes it a little bit more quaffable, doesn't it? Because you can do down 3 pints and not worry about it so much. Like, yeah, but that's lovely, bro.
Just slight sweetness at the back end, I think, there as well.
Probably a little bit sweet for you, you
Yeah.
think, or not?
Yeah, a little bit.
I like it. I've got a slightly sweet tongue, brother, but yeah.
I can't knock it.
It's a solid 8 or a 9.
Definitely 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Let's go for 9 out of 10. That's cracking, that. For one tin kit.
For one thing, that's cracking.
Very nice, bro.
That's better than some of the Wilco ones, I think, and some of the cheaper ones. Talking of which...
Oh, talking of which.
Computer, off.
Alexa's put it in again for the second time running. Anyway.
Don't get one of them, whatever you do. Get one of these instead.
One of these?
Get one of these instead for somebody for Easter present.
What's that, bro? That's my make your own beer premium lager. Premium
Lager, I've got an American IPA as well, but I thought I'd have a go at these cheaper kits you can see on the market. People have been recommending them on the home brewing community.
And where's this one from?
The Range.
Oh, right, that shop that basically sells everything.
Basically, that's our beer kits.
Wow.
$14.99.
Wow.
I'll be making it, checking out if it's any good.
I will let you
You'll
know.
be checking out.
I will let you know.
I will let you know.
Marvellous. Well, there you go. Range started doing beer kits. Well, there you go.
Apparently, some boys have started doing beer kits as well.
Boys, as in boys, the shop that sells everything.
Yeah, and a bit like Wilco sells everything. So, boys do that
Right,
as well.
cool. Yeah, excellent. Right then, have we got a third beer?
Oh yes, we've got a third beer.
Oh dear.
Again, guess where from?
I'm going to say Worcestershire Hop Shop.
You correct.
That's only because I know what's coming. This is, now we've been arguing about how to pronounce this, but we think it's Jamils?
Jamils or Jamils?
Jamils Evil Twin. It's Evil Twin because I think it's over 6%.
It's supposed to brew to 6%. I don't think I got near there when I was brewing, but I think my argometer slightly gave me a bit of jip in a minute. I've got one of those ones you drop into you here. It's an American IPA or American craft beer. I can't quite Google who actually makes it. All I can find is clone recipes.
Okay.
So
we don't know
if you know that information, put it on my YouTube site because I'd like to know for sure who makes Jamils Evil Twin.
Well, yes, it'd be handy to know so we know what to compare it against.
If we ever get over to American price from craft beer.
We could also over that there internet.
Could do, can't we? Not that going on lately.
We got something, bro.
Yes, and your horses, you big girl plough.
Look.
Now,
There's a reason why it's in this size glass. Either that or I've just got very big.
I thought I'd put it in this glass because I thought that's probably all you could handle.
I don't think I can handle that because I know what it's going to taste like. So, anyway. Oh.
Actually, there's a good punchy nose there.
Punchy nose, I'm drunk on the smell.
For me, I can smell the hops quite heavily.
Yes, very much
especially
so.
towards Sentinel, something like that.
Yes, a Sentinel to me has that sort of grassy, slightly grassy tone to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, definitely. It's akin to a beer festival, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Oh.
is, yeah. And you can almost smell the malt as well in
Yeah.
the background, can't you? And what colour would you say that was? Would you say it's a red?
I would have said that's bordering on a red. It's certainly a dark beer, darkish beer anyway. But right. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Going in. You can tell it's full grain though, because it's smooth, isn't it?
Smooth as good. There's a lot of malt going on there, and the malt's backed up with a good punchiness of dryness from the hops.
It's got straight to my cheeks.
You can feel the strength. Trust me. It's one of those beers that you know you just swallowed, basically.
But you don't when you drink it because you think, oh, that's nice. And then it's a little bit, it's just warming your cockles a little bit, isn't it? Sort of thing, yeah. It's a lovely beer. I don't know if I could drink a lot of it. Well, I know I can't drink a lot of it.
I can think a lot of it. This is a little bit dear at the Woodstock Shop, $23.99. But again, try it. Get over there.
Is that because the stronger beers tend to be a little bit more expensive, don't
The
they?
stronger beers tend to be a little bit more expensive because the way to make a stronger beer is add more grain.
Obviously.
And then if you're going to go for a punchy, hoppy beer, you've got to add more hops. So going back to the traditional style beers, people will almost just use the cheapest grain that was going around, probably just one sort with a little bit of something else in it. Yeah. And the same with the hops. Hops were seen as an expensive commodity.
Yeah.
So they only really put them in there to preserve the beer.
It's lovely and warm in that, isn't it? I tell you.
They're lovely. 10 out of 10?
I don't know if I can go to a 10 out of 10.
No, me neither.
Purely because,
Be fair.
purely because I can't drink a pint of it. It's a solid 8 or a 9 out of 10. Certainly.
Oh, 9
Yeah,
for me. I mean, I can't quite. I've had a pint of it the other night, but I can't remember finishing it.
You can't remember. Drank it. Can't remember where it was.
It's deceivingly strong like that, I think.
Because it doesn't taste strong, does it, when you're drinking it? It's only afterwards when you probably realise how strong it was. There you go. So I'll go. Yeah, I'll say 9 out of 10 for me. Right? Yeah. Okay.
Lovely job.
I think that's about it.
That's it. And what we got coming up next time, bro?
Oh, what coming up next time? What's he put on the board? So, Worcestershire Hop Shop again in the big package that
It's
he
the
bought.
last one I remember. It's the last one.
The postman actually bought a whole van load.
The one very happy with has been that long with
Is it Chim May or Chimmy?
Now you tell me.
Chimmy White Belgium
Triple.
Sound right, it's atrocious. Festival Father's Hook and some Peter's IPA. The last two are a lot easier to pronounce. Well, there you go.
Again, that's 2 a couple of kits.
Okay.
And obviously, not all the time do we get a chance to do a brew day, because if you are brewing a full grain, you will know it takes about 4 hours.
You put some time
Don't always
aside.
A, feel like it, or B, have the time to do
It's
it.
the time, yeah.
So we do the kits as well. Oh, we used to do the kits anyway, but I still carry on doing them as well to just boost my stock up. It's like we're a bunch of alcoholics.
And to tell you guys what it tastes like. If you are watching us on Facebook or anywhere else you spotted us, get on over to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. I think we're creeping up like there's no tomorrow now, aren't we?
Yeah, thank you very much again to the people that have been promoting my channel at Dark Rock. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
And till next time, I think.
Yeah, till
Until
next
next time, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.
To the Queen!
To the Queen! Huzzah!
Huzzah!